Delete a credit card from Walmart app. If you would like to delete a credit card from your Walmart application, maybe you've added a credit card or so on, you first launch the Walmart app and log into your account. Then tap on the account icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side. From there, you have to simply go to the option that says Wallet and tap on it. From Wallet, you'll see all of the payment methods you've added. So if you've added a card, you're most likely going to be able to see a card over there. So once you've added those respective details, you'll also find the option to remove that credit card. This way you can delete the credit card from Walmart app. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you in the next video.